Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can create a Grok Imagine video. First off, you're going to want to head to grok.com, and when you get there, you are going to want to make sure that you are in the Imagine section. You can see here that we are now grok.com/imagine. If we just head back here, let's go ahead and just go back to Grok. And yeah, it kind of seems like they've really made Imagine its own thing at this point. There's just a recent update here, so we have some new updates to play around with. Up here, we can create a new project. Oh, there's a lot of great things we could do, but let's focus on creating videos right now. So here you could see we have image and we have video, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now if you just wanted to do text to video, then all you got to do is just type that in there. So let's say we want happy puppy eating a burrito. Did I spell burrito wrong? I did. How dare I? So super simple. Let's go ahead and we're going to leave it at 480 lower resolution and at 6 seconds, so that way it's faster. But if we wanted to up the quality to 720 or we wanted to go up to 10 seconds, then we can do that. So let's go ahead and we can launch that. But before I do, another thing you can also do is you can also bring in your own image as well. So you can click on the plus sign here and that'll open up your file explorer so you could search through, but you can drag and drop anything, bring it in there, and when you do, it is going to show up here and you can hover over it and get rid of it if you want by clicking on the X here. We're going to go ahead and do that because we want our happy puppy eating a burrito. So we're going to go ahead and launch that. And now you can see that we are generating. So those are the two main modes for video generation. Is going to be text to video or image to video. So if you already have an image ready to go, then you can bring that in. But if you've got a text to video idea, then you can type in your prompt. And there we go. Isn't that adorable? We have our puppy eating a burrito now. And that looks pretty good. So there you go. That gives you an idea of how you can create videos with Grok Imagine. And then over here, we can share, we can post to X, we can download it, we can regenerate, we can extend. We have various presets we can explore, and we have upscaling. So we've got a few options to play around with, but that gives you an idea of how you can get started and create your own videos with Grok Imagine. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is an AI-powered tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Conversely, vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.